you're staying home. So I set this video up. I set the seat up here for Jay. I wanted to give it a quick test. I have it set clear to the back for adjustment and a little, well, yeah, a little higher than I would run it. So anyway, let's go for a ride here. And first of all, it's going to be kind of tricky to ride it all seated here with it set so low. But we'll try it. Let's see if I can hold this at the same time. Maybe if yeah, I'm way back on here, but yeah. Here we go. And so the selfie stick's kind of hard, but alright, so I've got it adjusted pretty far back, which makes it pretty hard to ride with. Well, not so bad. I'm surprised. I can actually get more out of it back here than I thought I could. There's the drop we're going to do with the side stand. See it there? That's 11 inches. And so let's see if the video will let me pause here and set up. Okay, pause.